What's up everyone? In this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to sell dogs token in Bybit. So stick around to the very end to understand how you can do this. So we're going to open our Bybit app, and at the bottom right corner we're going to tap on assets. We're going to go to funding, and then we have our dogs here. We're going to tap on dogs. It is important to convert your dogs into USDT and then selling USDT. This ensures that you have a more stable currency and you have more buyers transacting with USDT. In order to convert your dogs to USDT, all you need to do is to tap on convert at the bottom of the screen. You have dogs and you have USDT. If you want to transfer all of your dogs, you can tap on max and this will be sent to your USDT. After that, you're going to tap on the quote in order to get the latest quotation, and then you can confirm your transaction. Now, when you have your USDT under the funding account, you're going to go over to the USDT and tap on it. Then you have two options. You can either select sell or P2P trading. Both of these options take you to the same place. For example, if you tap on sell, you will still find yourself in the P2P trading platform. As we mentioned before, in the P2P trading, there are a limited number of cryptos which you can transact. You have USDT and some others. And we have our dogs converted to USDT. All we need to do is to tap on sell here to make sure we're having buyers for what we want to sell. And then here you have some options around the top bar. Apart from the USDT you selected, you can also select the amount and the payment method, and you can also change the currency you would like to have your funds sent into. Now, when you find a client you're comfortable with based on their statistics, you can click on sell, and then right here you're going to put in the amount of USDT you'd like to sell, and then also make sure to add a payment method. When you add a payment method, you can now click on sell and you will have to confirm your transaction. Please make sure that you receive all the funds before releasing any of your crypto to the client. So these are the steps to follow if you'd like to sell dogs token in Bybit. Let us know if you found this helpful, and thanks for watching.